giant is melting. Glaciers are shrinking in record speed. Every day, the ice sheets of Greenland are losing more than 6 times the weight of entire Manhattan. Over 280,000 megatons a year, faster than any snow can fall in the winter. Gone forever. Kangerlussuaq has a very dry and stable climate for being so far north. There are over 300 days a year without a cloud in the sky. So naturally, when we set out to the ice cap, a big snowstorm was moving in. While walking around, the guide said, normally you could see 20 kilometers out on this glacier, except it was just completely wiped out. And as fate would have it, just on the way back, the skies cleared up and the sun came out again. Few places I've seen with such an amazing range of colors. Giant is melting. The effects of warming can already be seen throughout the island. The icebergs almost but disappear in the summer. But Greenlanders are natural survivalists, born to adapt to nature. They started by looking into bigger ponds.